Hello vlog. I think that I lost something, but I'm back again. The reason I started this at this horrible angle is because I bought a rug today from IKEA. I'm going to open it. Personally, I don't like it, but I'm gonna leave it down just because I just finished putting it down. So, anyways, the reason we're back is because I am packing my bag today. Oh wait, I can show you in the mirror. This is us, me and my bag. Can you see it? I also hung this mirror by myself, so I'm so proud of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack my bag. I am going on a turn. Ooh gosh. It keeps going out of focus because my lens has stuff on it. I'm going on a turn tomorrow to Miami, and then I have 2 days off, and then after that I'm going on like a pairing, and so I'm packing for that pairing. It's like a 5 or 6 day pairing? 4 or 5 day pairing. One of those two. So I'm going on that pairing on February 2nd. Right now today is the 28th. So but the reason I'm packing now is because I'm home and I have time. So I'm just going to pack today while I'm off. So that's what I'm going to get doing. I'm going to show you how to pack for a 4-day trip. I took a picture instead of turning off the camera. Proud. I don't know how technology works. Welcome to my floor. This is my rabbit. His name is Blue. He's going to be my packing buddy today. So we're going to start with an empty suitcase. So I just took everything out of it, except for I always keep these in. These are just like sandals that I got from Target. And then I'm just going to throw in my shoes for work. I have them in just a shoe bag. Then I throw in, that's not the right one, this makeup toiletry bag. I'm just going to type them over. So in my suitcase I usually keep with me like standard these 2 pouches. In this small heart one, it's more for like fun, not necessary things. So like I keep a choker that I might need if I don't bring jewelry, which I never do. A bunch of bobby pins with a hair tie, and then an extra hair tie. This topsy-turvy for my ponytail so I can wrap it. A scrunchie in case I get a headache. These are so much better than a hair tie. In this one, keep sunscreen, my tweezers, a little floss. Sorry, I'm packing it up and like picking what I'm putting in each one. My Sage Peppermint Halo roller ball, which is amazing. And I think that's it for this one. And I close it up. I'm going to set it to the side because it might not be all. Then in this one here, I keep my toothbrush, an extra toothbrush, that's not the one I usually use, and an extra toothpaste, and 2 hotel shampoo and conditioner, 1 of each, just again in case. These are all like for layovers, like impromptus. But I haven't had one yet, thank God, but if I ever get one. I had a scare one time, so it scared me into keeping this. A hand lotion and face lotion, 2 tampons, just as backup, a little scrubber guy from a hotel, and a little bath bomb also from a hotel, but you never know if you really want to have a bath one day. A little tiny perfume, that's going to go in the other one actually. I don't know how I'm categorizing this, don't ask me, I just decide. An extra ponytail in this one, so I have 1 in each. Some cleansing wipes, and a makeup removing wipe. My little razor. Some contact solution from Poland. That's why it's Polish. A contact case. A little shaving cream. Isn't this the cutest? Oop, I dropped it. The cutest little shaving cream. I got it from a hotel too. Everything that's cute from a hotel. Eye drops that are also going to go in the other one. And a deodorant, last but not least. And let's hope that I packed it so that it fits properly. Aha, this one's this. Let's see if we can get this one to zip. A little guy. They both zip. Cool. And then in my bag they go. They've just gathered and collected all of the clothes that I think I'll need for this pairing, and then I'll go back and I'll double check that I have everything. But just like as a basic start, went around my room, looked around, grabbed what I thought I would need. So, first of all, I'm going to Mexico City, followed by a layover in Victoria, BC. So I will need quite like 2 different climates, I think. Mexico City is not actually that hot right now, thank God. The highs are 22 for when I'm going to be there. I'm not going to sweat in jeans, so I'm not going to pack shorts, if that makes any sense. So it's going to be like a little bit hotter. I think it's 2 degrees here. So, but anyways, so I'm packing. I'm going to check the weather for Victoria. I'm just assuming it's the same as here. Mild, but not frozen. Refrigerator temperature is what I call it, because we're not in a freezer. So I'm packing a bathing suit. This top is just from Aerie. My bottom's from Victoria's Secret. This is just like my layover bathing suit. The top especially. It's just been with me through thick and thin. I pack a basic tank. This is inside out because I just washed it. And as every good packer knows, you roll your clothes, you don't fold them. Packed a flannel because layers, and also Canada, eh? The worst folding job I've ever done in my life, but that's okay. No one's judging me, right? Pair of pants, which again are inside out because I just washed them. I'm just bringing 1 pair of jeans. They're not a heavy thing, so they fold up nicely and they pack well. So that's what I'm bringing this time. This is for in case the crew wants to go out to dinner. Just bring like a fancier shirt. And this is my favorite one because I just like the way it's cut. It's navy blue and I'm obsessed with it. I like to bring things that are neutral in color and like staples. I don't like to bring anything outrageous like pink or anything on my layovers because that's hard to work with. I like to stick with black, blue, and white. Maybe gray. Oh, and it's just a basic black t-shirt. Can't talk. A bunch of pairs of socks. These are 2 pairs right now. 3 pairs of black socks. You need socks. Self-explanatory. And a sweater. I'm bringing a nice sweater from Rent. A zip-up. A hoodie. Because put it on, you can take it off. Really easy. It doesn't static up your hair. Because it's wintertime, your hair gets staticky. So, a zip-up. My pair of Converse, I bring these with me on every layover. And then I just pray to God that it doesn't rain. Or I don't leave the hotel. Why would anyone want to leave a hotel when it's raining anyways? Personally, I don't know. It's a good excuse to watch TV, is what I like to tell myself. Okay, then I'm going to pack some underwear. Thankfully they're in this drawer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Why not? Shove those in the corner. Which are also in this drawer. Yeah, my drawer's broken, okay? It's just I broke it, and I don't know how I did it. It was probably because I dragged my bed around at my last place. I'm a horrible, horrible person. I cannot adult to save my life. Fold those up, shove those in the middle, and here's what we got so far. Oh, we're coming in hot. Here we go. It's pretty full because, ooh, we're back. Here we go. Because I have a very small suitcase to work with. Unfortunately. Oh, I put this back up. Weird. It's just never going to fit again, is it? Okay, there we go. We're back. So, that's what we got so far. Gonna go clothes-wise. I think that's all I need. I'm only away, technically, like at destination for a day and a half. The rest of the time I'm going to be in my uniform. So, I'll pack, actually, thanks for mentioning that, 2 extra uniform shirts to have. Put those here. Clip this guy down. Tighten that. So those are packed. Okay, so I just put my toiletry bag in my suitcase. If you guys want like a full what's in my toiletry bags, let me know and I'll do one. But it's pretty much just basics, what everyone keeps in there, so I don't think that it really matters. This is my suitcase now. I'm going to show you just what I keep in the front. 2 pockets, and then this is my Mickey Mouse pants. I keep that on here so I know that it's mine, because all of our crew suitcases look the same. So, I took a few things out of here, so I'm going to put them back in. But this stays in here all the time. It's my pop tab. Oops, that's the back of it. My collection of pop tabs that I have. Because people drink a lot of soda on flights, and I like to, you can make wheelchairs out of those. I don't know if a lot of people know that, but you can. So, I like to keep that there. I just threw in also a Sharpie and a highlighter. I like to have those. I'm going to put back in a pen. And then I keep this little guy in this top pocket too, and then that's all that I keep in there. Zip that guy up. Okay. And then on this big pocket here, I keep my flight attendant manual, and I'll show you this from the back. It's see-through, but this is like my lead folder, so it's all the important paperwork that I have to have on board for each specific aircraft. And then zip that up, and we're packed and ready to go. Crew. That's me. Oh, I also keep this on top. It's basically just like a clip. It perfectly holds our crew water bottles on board, and it also can hold like an extra bag if you have it. So keep that, and then on my handle I just keep a go-go Wi-Fi. We got these for free when we got Wi-Fi on our planes. A go-go Wi-Fi thing, just to avoid calluses on my hands from pulling my suitcase all the live long day. And that's what's in my suitcase for this trip. It's not super exciting because I thought that this was going to be a harder trip to pack for, but it wasn't. So if you have any questions, ask away. I'll try to answer them, and I will, because I have nothing to do for the next 2 days. I hope you guys are having a great day, and then you have, technically it's Sunday, so I was going to say have a great weekend, but hopefully you had a great weekend.